Welcome back, friends. I'm Koushik, and this is my fifth tutorial. And this tutorial, I'm going to show you that the the from of HTML and with PHP. This means like how to if you can submit a button and the value of the form, how to access the value of the form. Actually, I want to say that how to access the value of the form. If you click on the submit button, the form will, how the form will show to another page and to the same page. So that's I want to show you right now, right here in this video. So I think we should move it. We should move for it. Okay. So as you know, I'm use the Dreamweaver, right? Okay, and the local host, the WAM server. So I'm gonna take a PHP file and it will be saved into this www C drive WAM www dot folder. So just gonna go back. So here's my folder name is tuto. You see there? Yeah. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna make an index. Oh, sorry. From PHP. No, it's too easy. Once I have to say that the if you want to write PHP like here, and if you want to write PHP here, and if you want to show the echo some value here and and cancellation. So if you want to echo the value here, it means this is the out of HTML part, and this is the if you want to print the OK value to here. Okay, so it is the value that will include into the body part of the HTML. Let's see what happen if you do like this and just go back and write localhost here. You see the localhost and oops, sorry, it's not exactly though I because of that I have the changed the code number, so that's why 81. You see that localhost 81. So just go to the tutor folder. Where is my tutor folder? Tutor, yeah, tutor is here. And this is the from.php. You see there, you see the okay and the okay. Because of that, if I want to I want to write like just p tag, the right p here, and just p. Okay, if you see the p paragraph type, and if I want to this p should come into the center bar, the middle bar. Oh, sorry, I'm really sorry. Okay, center, you see that, okay, center. But in this, if you want to you know just like uh, PHP, okay, and if you want to print that, okay, like packet file, then it is, you have, it is not like, like it is not print like the HTML. You see the error. Okay, so error only behind of this, you have to need some of other knowledge. That means like that I have to say that you are, if you want to print the echo, if you want to print the echo into like the with the HTML tags. Okay, so here you have to do a lot of things like you train the feature, then using the like okay. So here if in free and here philosophy is like this. Okay, and say let's see, but in that way it is still same remaining here. So if you want to move it out, the P should go into the center. So the center. So yes, now it will come into this part. Okay, so are two things are the result of these two PHP tag are same. Once if you want uh make a design of the PHP, then if you do this, if you want to make a design um, a particular PHP, if you can do this. So what is the reason that I have you know uh, I have I have do like this, or I have do like this. What's the reason? So reason is that basically the means that I want to say. mm if you make a design this variable, this value of the PHP with HTML, you can do this. You can do like this. Okay, and if you want to make a design, it means like if you want to put a PHP, okay, include a PHP into HTML, you can do this. If you want to include the HTML in PHP, so you can do like this. So two things are very much close to each other. The HTML close to close to PHP, and PHP is close to HTML. So they're like brother and sister. Okay, so that's why I'm giving this demo. So don't worry. Okay. I'm talking about the from. So what the from? So from is it means like a bunch of text, or a bunch of text, a bunch of mail area, bunch of buttons. If you wanna make them, actually not bunch of buttons, it means the submit button, the reset button, and some radio button. So if you do, if those are included in a in a in a particular shape, that is a from. So do how can make a from with this ready button, or the texture of the submit button, the reset button, so let's do it. So the from is here, and you close this from. So what we have to do, if it is a from, so it's not a basic need. So basic needs means like if you make a from that that have a name, at least that have a name. Okay, so I'm gonna put a name. So its name like from one, whatever you want to put here, it's your choice. So and the next thing, from name, and the mm, you know if you want to put, if you want to put ID of this from, if you want to make an CSS file, it's not needed right now, but I'm saying here that ID could have there. Okay, could have here, sorry. And and one thing is very important to the PHP is the action. So yeah, I'm gonna say you later about the action. And very important thing is method. Which method you want to use? Is that there is basically three method in the PHP, that is create, post, and refuse. So if you want to a secure page or secure URL transaction,